Hi dear students, dear friends. Now just 14 days left for prelims 2020. Don't be tensed, stay positive, stay happy. Every 2-marker question will be a game changer in your prelims examination. So keep on practicing previous year's questions and don't skip probable potential model questions for prelims 2020. Here, the national list for intangible cultural heritage, that's important for you. We have already done UNESCO's representative list of intangible cultural heritage. Now this is national list for intangible cultural heritage. Let's see the question. Which one of the following is not included in the national list for intangible cultural heritage of intangible cultural heritage? Junbil Mela, Arahatta, Ogukada, Kalamkari. Let's solve this. Yeah, when it comes to national list for intangible cultural heritage, your focus must be on these 5 broader domains: oral traditions, performing arts, social practices, rituals and festive events, knowledge practices, traditional craftsmanship. Okay, national list for intangible cultural heritage, yeah, that is divided into these 5 broader domains: oral traditions, performing arts, social practices, rituals or festive events, knowledge practices, traditional craftsmanship, etc. Yeah, when you study this national list for intangible cultural heritage, just to go through it, what are these various, like a national list for intangible cultural heritage, various elements, various traditions in that particular list, please go through. The domain you should know, whether it is oral tradition, performing arts or traditional craftsmanship, that you should know. Then their features, salient features you should know. The community which practice this tradition is important for you, and the region or state it belongs to. These are the elements you have to focus upon when you study national list for intangible cultural heritage. Kalamkari, it belongs to 5th domain, that means traditional craftsmanship. Traditional craftsmanship. This is an ancient traditional hand painting done on cotton fabric or silk fabric. An ancient tradition of hand painting done on cotton fabric or silk fabric, practiced by Balia community, belongs to Indian state of Andhra Pradesh, practiced in 2 regions, most importantly Srikalahasti and Machilipattanam. These points are important from prelims point of view. Ohukada, this belongs to performing arts domain. Performing arts, this is one of the traditional performing art. Yeah, this is a traditional folk theater, or this is a traditional way of singing, praising and narrating the stories of rural Hindu deities, practiced by Kuruma and Golla or Yadava tribes. Kuruma Golla tribes in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, then Satriya tradition, this is a performing art. Yes, this is a music dance drama combination. Okay, Satriya, this is music dance drama combination. We already studied. Okay, Satriya dance, music dance drama combination introduced by Shankaradeva, Vaishnava saint in Assam, introduced in the Vaishnava monastery Satra for the promotion of Vaishnavism. Okay, then practiced by Rajbanshi tribe, Bodo tribes, Nokte tribes in Assam. Junbil Mela, this belongs to social practices, rituals or festive events domain. Okay, Junbil Mela, and this is a century-old tradition of traditional fair. This is Junbil Mela is a century-old, yes, a fair tradition in which barter system is practiced. No currency, no paper currency, no such currency is used here. Barter system, I mean Indus Valley civilization tradition, barter system is used here. Tiwa and Goba tribes in Assam practice this. Now Charbayat belongs to oral tradition. It is a musical tradition of lyrical oral poetry practiced by Muslim community and belonging to UP, MP, Rajasthan. Okay, practiced in Indian state of UP, MP, Rajasthan. Then this Bagoria belonging to performing arts, This is a festival dance tradition practiced by Bil tribes in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so I am giving you some important national list for intangible cultural heritage. No need to mug up, just understand the concept. Just understand the concept, just go through it and revise it very well. 13 traditions of that UNESCO intangible cultural heritage and all these national list for intangible cultural heritage. Only few I selected here. Okay, let us solve the question now. Which one of the following is not included in this national list for intangible cultural heritage? Yes, Junbil Mela, it's part of it. Arhata is not part of it. Arhata is, it's a traditional Persian wheel tradition. This is a Persian water wheel tradition, that is Arhata. Yeah, Persian water wheel that is used during Mughals in India, Mughal era. Ogu Kadavi said this is included in this national list for intangible cultural heritage. Kalamkari is also included in this national list for intangible cultural heritage. Okay, so your answer has to be Arhata. Okay, so just practice it. Keep yourself on track. Stay positive, stay happy. All the best wishes, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and please share the videos and stay tuned. Watch all our sessions. Thank you.